Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something exciting for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax, a product that claims to be the best car wash soap for shine in the market. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if it lives up to the hype. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's get started. The Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax is a cleaning fluid designed for cars, trucks, and even motorcycles. This 64 fluid ounces bottle claims to deliver a mirror-like shine while gently lifting away dirt that can cause scratches and swirls on your vehicle's paint. It also helps with water beading, making your car look fantastic. So, what sets this product apart? Let's take a look at its key features. Advanced Car Wash and Wax Formula. The Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax boasts an advanced formula that combines cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax. This combination is said to meet the highest standards for car care. Gentle dirt removal. It promises to gently lift away dirt, preventing scratches and swirls on your vehicle's surface. Water beading. This product helps water bead on your paint, which is not only visually appealing but also protects your car's finish. Deep, radiant color. The formula is designed to reveal your paint's deep, radiant color, making your vehicle look showroom ready. Now, you might be wondering why you should choose the Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax over other options. Well, there are a few reasons. Proven results. With over 3,600 ratings on Amazon and an average rating of 4.6 stars, this product has a strong track record of customer satisfaction. Trusted brand. Armor All is a well-known name in the automotive care industry, known for producing high-quality products. Value for money. While it may seem a bit pricey at first glance, the 64 fluid ounces bottle offers great value for the quality it provides. In conclusion, the Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax certainly seem to live up to their claims as the best car wash soap for shine. Its advanced formula, gentle dirt removal, and water-beading properties make it a strong contender in the car care market. And with numerous positive reviews, it's clear that many customers are satisfied with the results. If you're looking to give your vehicle that showroom shine, this product is worth considering. Just remember to follow the recommended usage instructions for the best results. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used the Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more informative product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.